back to my YouTube channel. If you are just seeing me for the first time today, I am Opeyemi. I'm a Philippine trained nurse as well as a US RN. So this series will be called After NCLEX, What Next? I'm going to be talking about the stages, different stages in the EB-3 visa process. So come with me and let's get right into this video. Welcome to the final part of the 5-part series. If you have watched the remaining parts, you know we already talked about how to find your agency, the differences between the staffing agency and the direct hire agency. We also listed different direct hire agency here in the Philippines, and they might be in some other places in the world, and also different staffing agencies here in the Philippines which might also be in different parts of the world. In this last series now, I'm going to be telling you about the EB-3 visa process from top to the bottom. That is so that you can know the part or the stage where you are in your visa process, because there are some agencies that are not really transparent with the process you are. So if they send you a document for you to sign or send you a request that you should bring this and this, you know the part of the agency of the process where you are. So now please like, comment and subscribe so you can see more of me. Now let's get right into this video. The first part of the EB-3 visa process is for you to pass the NCLEX. After passing the NCLEX, then you are going to now start looking for agency whereby you now sign up with a particular agency. After signing up with this agency, then you are going to receive a job offer. This job offer will help them to be able to also note it in the I-140 that you already have a job and blah 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 blah. This will help them to file your I-140. And also you also pass the IELTS exam. You know you have passed the NCLEX exam. Now you are also going to write the English exam, which is IELTS, PT, OET, or whichever English exam that you wrote. After passing that, you are going to get your priority date. The priority date is gotten because they filed your I-140. After that, your I-140 will become approved. After the I-140 is approved, then you are going to now have a visa screen which you will now be certified. After your visa screen is the one you do with the CGFNS. Don't forget, you are going to have depending on the state, you will need your CES reports for that and some other documents for the visa screen. After that, you are now going to pay your visa fee bill, which is the one that will now lead you to the DS-260. After your I-140 is approved, your visa screen is certified, now you are going to be paying your visa fee bill. Some agencies, depending on the contract you sign, will be the one to pay or foot that bill, but some agency will tell you as the individual to pay it. After that, you are going to fill up the DS-260 form, which will help you, or you are going to add your staff depending on how you are going to the US, single or married. After your DS-260, then you are going to also submit your civil documents. These civil documents will be your marriage certificate, your birth certificate, and some other certificates that they are going to need. They are also going to be documentary qualified. Once you already submit your civil documents, which will help them to know the number of people in this family is going. Apart from your own civil document, they are also going to send your spouses or whoever is going with your children civil documents. You are now going to be documentary qualified. Some people now in this retrogression state are in this level because they are waiting for their priority date to become current. After being documentary qualified and you have a embassy interview date, then you are now going to go for a medical exam. After the medical exam, you are going to become case ready, meaning that you have done everything that you can and you are only just waiting for your your embassy interview. After the embassy interview, which you are going to pass, then you are going to get a issued visa. So after that, you will, depending on the month that you are going to go, you can go after 1 month or after 2 months after your visa has been issued. So this is just the summarized step of the EB-3 visa process. I hope with this video you are able to know the step or the place where you are at this particular time. Some people might be in their I-140 stage because it takes time. Some people who are under a normal processing of the I-140 might still be waiting for the I-140 at this moment because there is retrogression, so it's taking longer than usual, which is like 12 months, which is 1 year. For up to 1 year you could wait for your I-140. Just know that after the I-140 is being approved, the remaining parts will be more easier and it will take less time than the I-140. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video has helped you in some way. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and watch the other 4 parts of this 5-part series. Thank you.